We're going to determine the freshness of eggs. First test, cross-examination. As we can see, the egg is not clean, and when I touch the egg, it is rough. Second test, candling. After we test the eggs by cross-examination, now it's time to test the egg by the candling. As we can see, the yolk is a little bit in the top, and the earth cell, it is not 1/8 inches. And as we can see, the egg has a tiny pores. The third test is clicking. After we finish the second test, now let's do this clicking. As we can hear, when I click the two eggs, we hear like a bell sound. The fourth test is shaking. After we finish the third test, which is clicking, next test is shaking. As I shake the egg, I cannot notice the egg if it is shaking or not. I cannot determine it. It means it is passed of the quality of the fresh egg. The next step is water test. When I put the egg in the water, the egg is went sink and not floating. The last test is breaking. After I break the egg, as we can see, the yolk is a little bit in the side and not in the middle. And the egg has clear, thick, firm, and yolk is well-rounded. Now, let's grade the egg by the test that we did. The grade of my cross-examination is 10 out of 10. The candling is 8 out of 10. The clicking is 10 out of 10. The shaking is 10 out of 10. The water test is 10 out of 10. The last test is breaking. The grade of my egg is 9 out of 10. And my egg is grade A, not grade AA.